So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make Aster plots in Power BI. So the Aster plot is a twist on standard donut chart. The Aster plot allows category that drives the chart and up to two measures. So the first measure controls the depth of each section and the second measure controls the width of each section. So for this tutorial, I have made a Aster plot which displays the profit and sales by category. So for this, my first measure is profit. So my profit will control the depth of each section. So if you see, this is basically office supplies category. So the depth of office supply category is more because the profit generated by this category is the highest. And on the other side, if you see for furniture, the depth is less as compared to the other two categories because the profit generated by furniture is also the least one. And the second measure is sales, which controls the width of each section. So if you see this technology category, it has the highest width as compared to the other two categories. Why? Because the sales generated by technology is the highest. And again, if you talk about furniture, the width is less as compared to the other two categories because the sales generated by this category is also least as compared to the other two categories. So let's see how one can make Aster plots in Power BI. So first of all, it is not a built-in visual, so we have to import it. Let's see how we can import this one. So go to these three dots, click on it, click on Get More Visuals. Now search for Aster plot. So first one is the Aster plot. You have to click on Add, and then it will get added in your visuals pane. So as you guys can see, I have this custom plot. So I will make a new page and we'll see how one can make Aster plot. So double click on this. It got added in our report. We'll bring it over here. Now in the category, I will put category. In y-axis, my first measure is profit and my second measure is sales. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created an Aster plot in Power BI. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.